Hello True Family, welcome to another cleaning video. I hope you're all doing fine. So first I started by changing my curtains, and those are the clean curtains that you're having on. So the next thing I'm going to do is dusting off my fan and the ceilings before changing my throw pillow covers into clean ones. Let me do that first, and then also I need to change the bedroom one and dust the ceilings too. The bedroom curtain is up. Now I'll be changing my beddings into clean ones. After that, I'll go ahead and mop the floor, and I'll see you then, guys. So after putting the curtains on, I went ahead and changed my beddings to clean one. Then went ahead and mopped the floor, and now we're having those clean pillow covers on. So it's all done, guys, and this is how the living room is looking like. I just love the new look. Like every day I'm resetting my house, and yeah, it's smelling amazing. And for my house scent of today is called Bahur from SSB. You can check them on TikTok, IG. They're very affordable and smell so amazing. The smells it just lingers around the house for the whole day. And yeah, so that's that, and let's go now and do a bit in my kitchen. So guys, as you can see in my kitchen, there's nothing to do. Actually, I did my dishes last night like always, and this does save me time. Like, I'm doing nothing in my kitchen right now. My sink is also clean and everything. I think it's good to go because I did also cleaned my kitchen last week. Yeah, last month, that is last month. So yeah, let me just take a break, guys, and I'll see you in the afternoon. So guys, first I'm going to defrost my mincemeat. Today I'm craving mincemeat stew and some chapatis. So I'll let this defrost while taking my break. And talking about taking my break, I will have some self-maintenance. Here I'm going to have some mani and pedi at home. So here I'm having file, nail cutter and cuticle remover. I'll be trimming my nails, you know, making them look good. And secondly, I'll have my mask on. So I'm using Garnier. This is 3-in-1. You can use it as a wash, scrub, and a mask. So today I'm using it as a mask. And I'm using this cute ball which comes with a brush, that is applicator. You can find it on cosmetic store, or you can try checking them out on, you know, online shopping like Kilimall and Jumia. I also saw it having it. And also I'll be taking my hibiscus powder for healthy drink. This is actually pure natural and organic. So the reason as why I'm having it, because I'm having a flu and sometimes I'm having difficulty in breathing. So this improves your body performance by enhancing the oxygen intake. So yeah, and it doesn't taste that nice, so you can decide to add honey if you like it. And but it's not necessarily to add honey. You can take it as it is. So as for me, I prefer taking it with cold water. You can decide to take it with warm water. Yeah, it's the way that according to your likings. So I'll do that, take a break, and I'll see you guys later. So it's time to shower after a long needed break. So for my body, I'm using, it's a flamingo bar soap which smells so amazing, which is enriched with roses and honey. For my face, I'm going with Dr. Rashid Vitamin C Facial Cleanser. Firstly, I will exfoliate my face using Rice Cleansing Facial Scrub. This is my new purchase actually, so this is my first time using it, and I'll go again with my exfoliating scrub, which is enriched with honey and almond. I will highly recommend this. It's one of my favorite, guys, and it does the work. So after exfoliating, I go in with some rose water oil cleansing foam. Just help me to get rid of the scrub particles on my face, and that feels smooth and very fresh. It's very easy to use because it comes with its own brush on it, and they're in many types. We have rose, cucumber, yeah, aloe vera. And for my feet, I'm using this feet scrub, and also I'll be filing my feet, and I exfoliate my body lastly. So I'm using this exfoliating gloves, and I'm using papaya scrub for my body. So guys, let me show you my feet of today. I'm going in with this cute flowered dera. This is how it looks like, very pretty, and I'm going to match it with this big plain hijab, red hijab. Then for my body, I'm using this Nivea body cream, nourishing cocoa, for deep moisturizer and serum, and also has cocoa butter and vitamin E. For deodorant, I'm using a Nivea one, fresh and natural for quick dry. Face, I'm going in with bio oil only. So for my lippies, I'm going with this herbal petroleum jelly. It's enriched with aloe vera, yeah, for deep moisturizing. And my today's scent is called Oud Mood. Smells so amazing. If you're looking for something with it has a pure oud, this is one to go for. It's called Oud Mood. Yeah, it's very affordable, a bit expensive but very affordable. I'm loving how my perfume collection is growing, and yeah, so let me dress up and go find something to eat because I'm starving. So this is my lunch. I cooked before going to shower, so I'm having some chapatis, mincemeat stew, and black tea. So that's my lunch, guys.